They're gone.
Yep. All right.
Step back.
All right.
Step back.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Are you ready for him?
Yeah, this is gonna be a Jamie taunt hunt when you can pull it.
Just wait for the rest of the pack to go back.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Always shoot the back of the pack. Alright, we're gonna kill this right group first. This is the group they want the extra pack on, right?
Nope, because soon we're gonna.
We do.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's grab the marked pack first. We'll make a big circle.
Okay.
We'll come back around for him.
That's fine. All right, that's fine. Yeah, come to star. Hug left. Hug left.
But I know we need him.
Yeah. All right, we're charging this group. If you're the paladin and hunters, you're staying back. Stack on skull. Go. Cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. That did not go as expected. That sometimes happened, but I don't know. I didn't pay attention to. Was everybody where they should have been, or did somebody get to the group late?
All three of them.
I did a little bit.
Turned out.
Hold in.
There was a mage in the back with us, but I don't know that mattered.
You got a few late pulling.
Okay. Yeah, when we move up on those packs, we've got to be moving quick. So that unfortunately, if that interrupts drinking or whatever, you gotta move up. Release and run back for sure. If you get rezzed, you get rezzed. Yep, all good.
At least you went big, though. You didn't die by yourself. You took everybody out with you. Proud of you for that.
Hey.
Trying to be a hunter, huh?
That's weird, because Skull was dead, and I died from the charge.
Yeah. Yeah, the debuff is going to happen regardless if the guy's up or not.
Oh.
Yeah.
What you're saying is I should have used my elixir of poison cleanse thing.
Yes, sir. Somebody used abolish poison on me. Thank you, whoever that was. I was going to hit an EPR, though.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, a lot of my stuff's red.
Is that Zenta?
Nope. I'm at 66.
You know, if you just don't wear armor, you don't have to worry about durability.
All right. Yeah, if we've got people that are red, we're gonna have to drop a bot. So. All right.
Yeah, I got it.
I got one to drop, Septo, so I'll drop it. Copy. All right. All right. All right. Dropping one.
Hold on, give me a
Oh,
sec.
gosh. 4 gold and some change.
468 here.
Oh, to drop it closer to over
163. I barely died.
Yeah, I can get it.
15 for a coffee.
All right. This is going to be a darn taunt. Let's go ahead and get ready to get these skitters. Keep buffing and stuff. Mages, I think, have adequate mana for the skitters, and then we'll stop and drink. All right. Let's pull it. All right. Redemption time. Time to make up for the last pull. Some come up to star. We're gonna go ahead and get this this other group here with the stalker in it.
We got some people in the back. Consume.
I see that. That's why I haven't said pull yet. Daenerys, Leto.
Hey, Remy, I think Trixie's AFK, so I'll get her buffs.
Thank you.
All right, we're just gonna say fuck it and just keep it behind the wall, line of sight of Leto. We should be fine. Let's just charge in on Skull.
Shit.
Get Annabelle.
Oh, I see what's going on. Huh.
Gareth,
Yes.
he's stabbing people with poison right there.
I'm stabbing people with poison?
Yep, it looks like it's done. Sorry, I had to find it. I have so much stuff over it. It was hard to see, but yep, it's done. Thank you guys.
We got one more.
Yep, same thing. Charge in. Let's go. On star.
Where to go? What to do? So many choices that all end in pain. End in death.
Alright, I need Burr in my group. Alright. So you got Keg Seth on Skull, Daenerys on the X. Jamie, you'll be DPS for this one. I'll be on the boss. Don't fap until you reach the ads, but I want the Crypt Guard stacked on the butt of a Nubricon. We'll kind of keep him where he's at, or close to where he's at, so we can burst him down early, and then we'll move him into position as it gets close to Locust Swarm.
Oh, is it getting real one-sided now? Yeah, that's terrible.
Alright, Party Dog, just waiting on you, bud. There you go. Everybody's ready. Alright, no undead trinkets. If you got undead trinkets, or no, sorry, you do want them. Put them on. If you got them.
Put them on, take them
Put them
on.
on. Put it on. That's it.
Make up your mind.
Alright, remember, don't fap until you get close to the mob, or on it. Alright, let's go.
Yes, run. It makes the blood pump fast.
Just read his mind. It makes it easier.
Only fap in certain circumstances.
Sunder up on X.
Watch your spacing, guys. Clustering up
not
means
gonna
you're gonna
pull it.
get hit.
Fan out.
I'm all good with killing Zinta. Yeah, we can kill Zinta.
I'll take it.
Alright, so they may just keep it up. We can't count on Eddie. Got
Scab
those
scarabs.
Get those scared down. Locust swarm, get out, get out.
Get the raid healed up, guys.
That's what I specialize in.
Get Sunders up on the boss when you get here. Melee should be stacked up right.
Clean.
Very.
A fight where only Eddie dies, that's a win.
Moving up.
Oh, you didn't die? Oh.
There's a bot up.
Yep, it's repaired.
Where you been?
He was AFK when we dropped the bot.
I know, dude. I'm just.
I know. Get these skitters when we can. This is gonna be Cake Seth, you got time?
Literally
Yeah.
sitting like 8 feet away from the boss.
It's gonna be your time on the skitters.
Love you, Alita. Just remember that.
Let them all get here. Taunt away. Alright, we're stacking everything on Skull, moving in. Wait, get Keg up. Damn it. Keg, did the lip not go off?
I didn't hit the lip.
Oh, you didn't hit the lip.
Yeah, I hit the wrong one.
Gotcha.
Minimum results.
Get spot buffs on Keg and get him there. He's topped off. Okay, we're good. Stacking everything on Skull. You got Diamond. Alita.
Yep, purple diamond.
Holy shnikes.
Hitting lips later.
Hell yeah.
Get Darn up. Get Talahan up.
Split second, pal.
For any of you younger people out there, that's called karma. You open your fucking mouth and say something bad about something, it's gonna get you.
I couldn't even see the uncasted part of my bar when you died.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pull it, Hunt. Pull it.
Exactly.
I've got this time.
I had the cursor over the lip. I just couldn't get it.
All right, we're charging this stalker group.
That's what they call it, day late, dollar short.
Let's go. Everybody in. Stack them up. Skull and X, stack them.
I'm gonna need to do some loot while we're doing this because I am out of space.
Use Remy's space. Remy got space?
I do.
Use her bags.
Ready? Here we go.
This is gonna be Jamie taunt.
Need a master to pull that.
Stack up behind the boxes. Darn, you got a lip taunt?
I do.
All right, this one will be yours unless we're getting stalkers. Now we're gonna get skitters.
Unless you want them all.
Gigi, please roll.
I'm almost sick.
Nice, man. Congrats.
Nice. Congrats.
Very nice.
Hunt, please roll.
Very, very nice.
Congrats, Hunt. Huge.
All right, here we go.
Congrats, man.
So she said.
On to you.
Septos, you do your ring yet, dude? Or do your ring?
I didn't even think I didn't even see that thing roll or
Grab a circle.
come through.
Here we go.
Oh
Circle.
fuck! I got to roll against people now.
All right, stack behind the boxes, guys. We've got this is gonna be party dog taunt when they're all up here. Party lip taunt. You scared the shit out of Alucard, but good taunt.
Yeah, he did.
They weren't all up here.
Second pack in a row.
Count to 5, then dot Alucard. 5.
There's no dots on AoE.
Count that high.
Y'all can stack up on Star when this group is about to where those egg sacs are. That's when we're gonna charge in on them, like we did the first Stalker pack. Just don't go past Star. All right, let's go.
Please roll.
We got him. Yep.
Nice.
Let it.
Nice. Scratch.
Get people in the back that weren't supposed to be.
Yep.
Hey, Burr, this is where you'll stand up here for the hunter.
All right. Alito, you got a lip taunt?
No, 3
Yeah.
minutes.
3 minutes. Bodie, you got one?
So up here, Burr. Yeah.
Bodie, take right. Sin, take left.
Well.
All right.
Ready.
Get ready. Get ready, guys. Go ahead. Do
Not
the
a good
stuff.
idea.
Not saying anything bad about the tanks. You guys missed my fucking trap. Christ.
You should
Oh
put
my-
it in the right place.
Whoever's dicking with marks, knock it out.
You trying to honey dick me?
Yep.
All right.
Say what?
Sounds good right about now.
Let me know when you're ready.
Right. We should be good. Nobody peek unless you're Girth.
I'm a
be
peek.
in Zerker stance and just kill this shit quick. Kill the cultists and then the mark targets. Make sure you're interrupting.
No, back up, Burr. You're up to the top, Burr. Up to the top.
About time.
Die in the master's service.
Kill these cultists.
Go ahead, Burr. Mark the next ones.
It's appropriate music for these pulls.
Nope,
And
not,
every
that was
other
that's next week.
No.
Cal, every situation.
Gotcha.
Urban and Ngoro.
Next pull coming in.
Drain.
We're ready, bro. After this, I want to pull a Skitters.
Okay.
I can lip taunt.
All right, good.
Skitters coming in.
It's gonna be a Daenerys taunt.
We're ready for the next one, bro.
Incoming.
Taunt, did it? Go.
Did I hear a second one go off? Did somebody else taunt?
You did.
Yeah, I don't know why, but I still had one. I was clicking it to see if it was wrong. That's so weird. Like I hit reload and it was still up, and I was like, well, let me click it. I didn't hit my lip though. I wonder if my lip taunt is messed up.
Next group coming in.
I'm gonna hit your lip.
Hit my challenging shout instead of the lip taunt button.
This is the last group consumed.
Okay.
Means my macro is probably messed up.
The ones out of the raid with the casters, they interrupt their cast, so we got to get them. All right, move up. Tank assignments are up. You got consumed. Make sure your undead trinkets are off. They should have been. You got consumed on boss, Jamie on skull, party dog on the X. Daenerys and Darn are going to be picking up all the worshippers. Keep them at the steps to the right there if you're tanking the worshippers. Skull and X need to be stacked on the boss. We are killing Skull and X, then killing the boss. Watch out for Rain of Fire. I'll move her out best I can, but make sure we're stretching the life of those worshippers, okay? Because DPS has been a little on the light side tonight in situations, so make sure we're getting full use out of a sack.
Very carefully.
So instead of interrupting before, she cast her what is it? Her enrage. You interrupt it right after she does it. That way it goes to a minute.
Well, we don't want to do it right after. I mean, we can still time it within that 5-second window of her not volleying at all. We'll be fine. I mean, her DPS isn't that low, but I just want to maximize the debuff, right?
Well, to maximize it, if you cast it before, she.
I'm saying
it's 30 seconds
without
debuff.
yeah.
If you cast it after, it's a minute.
Yeah, I'm just saying without penalty, meaning I just don't want any volleys going out. You know.
Oh.
So.
Are
Do
you
you wanna
talking
do this,
the
TG?
nasty ones? Are you talking the poison volleys in the beginning?
Yeah. Yep. So we sack
Oh, I
one
got you.
early. We sack one early, and then like 5 seconds.
I got you.
Yep. All right.
Yeah. So TG is not doing it, Trixie. You are.
No, I'm not
TG's
doing it.
backed up.
Trixie is. I just was clarifying. Just wanted to
all
see
good.
how it went.
Yeah.
He helping you out. That's what it is.
All good.
Well,
All right. Let's do a check, and then we'll do a pull.
Hey, it's party. Where am I tanking X? Just
You're going to tank
generally
X on top of box. So Skull and X are going to be brought to box. You're going to kill Skull and X, and then DPS box. But focus Skull and X down.
Got it.
Yep. I think we're good. Ryan, you're good? All right. Hold on. All right. We're good. Waiting on one. All right, we're good. Let's go. Tanks up. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Slay them in the master's name. Watch your feet.
what's going on? He didn't explode.
Orange circle.
Get it all.
Is she bugged?
Shh. Just keep killing her.
That one just dropped on me.
It's so small, but ignite consumed out is out. Threading it.
Don't kill those worship. You got one that's about to die. Stop DPS.
Yeah, I know.
It took her getting to like 5%. One rain of fire. Never seen that.
Good job.
Well, I mean, whatever.
There's more than one.
Yeah, it was.
Widow's embrace.
Very good loot.
Well, damn, Callahan, you just might get all of your shit tonight. I'm just saying.
I ain't complaining.
Let's go. Let's go. We got 30 minutes, guys, to get Max in it down. We'll be able to do some SAF KT. Let's go. I've got a lip taunt.
Hell yeah.
Stacking on skull. Let's go. All right, go ahead, get that door open, get them.
Yep.
Move up.
What chest piece did we get tonight?
Tunics. Bunch of them.
Make sure you're disarming, stacking.
As soon as X dies, I'm gonna pull diamond.
Paladin, Hunter one.
Circle.
Go ahead and get it.
Spirit coming in.
Turn your attention to this. All right, move up.
Coming.
Yalkut, baby, what is you doing?
English, please.
Thanks.
We pulled.
Get Hunt up. Keep Hunt up. Yep. Let's go. Get on Skull. Kill these quick. All right, we got stalkers incoming. Back it up. Back it up. On star. Everybody on star. We're going to charge in on these like we always do. Get in positions. Let them reach about that outer ring and we'll charge in. All right, let's go. Grab, yep.
Hit against the wall. We're skipping the next two, right?
Yeah, we can. If we kill these fast. We'll sit and eat anyway.
Yeah, they gotta go up.
Sit and eat after this dies. Sit and eat. As soon as your debuff drops, go ahead and hug the left, but wait. Wait, give him a little bit of time to space. All right, come on.
Let's grab.
I'm working on it.
Ghouls.
Pick them, stack and burn. Disarm.
One unmarked in there.
Ten hit points, prospect.
I taunted it off.
That was crazy.
Saved you.
We're good.
Run, run.
Move up to star, folks. Star. All right, we're skipping these. Hug the moat. Hug the moat.
Ruin. We only have 1,400 of them.
Yep. Hug the moat. Oh.
They're coming to us. Stay down.
Hug the moat, guys, not jump into it.
It's a river of slime.
Down on star. Get on star. Get on star. All right.
Looks like Mountain Dew.
Move it up.
Oh, darn.
What? I have to roll up to these pieces. We are under 10 minutes. We have two of these. They are Paladin, Hunter, and Druid. Open roll. Top two rolls.
Just roll out what you have to, Septos, and then let me know when you're done.
Roll out what I have. I have 30 items.
No, what you have to, time wise. Have to.
We are seriously deleting two chess pieces.
Yes.
Need to get the warrior rogue ones.
I had to move some stuff around. Let me check through.
5 minutes on flask.
Okay, these were the only 2 left, so we're good to go. I'm deleting these. Nobody wanted them?
Can I get a summon?
Damn, we didn't even know you was AFK.
Did y'all hear something?
No, I ran back.
Did y'all hear something?
I saw a sparkly.
All right, get that man a summons.
I'm here. Thank you.
Yep. So we've got Darn, Jamie, and Party doing the taunts for the Spiderling ads. Just nuke them down. More importantly, at 35% is a hard stop on DPS. We want to make sure a web wrap goes out before we pop our cooldowns and burn them. So slow your DPS at 40. It's a hard stop at 35. Okay. Those that get webbed on the walls, if you look behind you, you see webbing on the wall. That's, you know, the Ragers can be tossed up on the wall, and you know, we need to get them down. Ping your location if you get wrapped, but don't yell over comms that you need somebody to get you. Just keep pinging the map. Let me get some threat before you go full DPS on this guy, though. I'm in full mid, so.
Calkirk, did you get your boots?
No, it was in do not trade.
I know. The timer rotted, so yeah, you need to trade me. It's gone now.
All right, waiting on 2 to ready. Waiting on Flynn. Everyone's ready. Here we go. Let me get some threat.
Innervate on Mortigan if somebody has not yet.
Done.
Sunders.
Get in the butt. Get the gooch.
Target change.
Spiderling soon. There's going to be a darn.
5. Get ready to AoE.
TG's on the wall if I can get up.
AoE.
5, 4.
What do we do now? Why is Party got y'all?
The fuck?
Did Party taunt?
I did not.
Party
taunt.
must have been. Were you in defensive stance?
I was.
That's the
Target change.
You need to be in
TG's on the
berserker
wall
stance.
again.
Don't call it out.
Jamie Tom.
5,
Ads.
4, 3, 2, 1.
We're at 40%. Yep. Yeah, push them to 35. We don't want to push.
Okay, we don't want to push. Gotcha.
No, we don't.
He's at 34.
Target change.
Stop. Stop. Hard stop.
Stop any all DPS. Stop DPS. Stop DPS. Ads in 2. Get ready, mages, to blow it up. Get them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who was supposed to do the taunt?
Party dog. They're like hitting the healers.
Now, Party Dog was dead.
Just AoE mages.
Burn the ball. Burn the ball. Unders needs.
Target change.
Build a banshee.
Burn. We need to kill it. I don't have shield wall in.
4, 3, 2, 1.
2%.
You gotta be
I'm going down.
freaking kidding me.
2%, 1%. Just keep burning when you come out of web wrap. We should still have it, but damn. All right, release and run back. Release and run back. Healers hang back to res. Everybody else, let's take the portal.
And ain't get to fucking execute one damn time on that fight.
Yep.
Why does being in defensive stance get me crushed?
So
being in
he's in
defensive
full
stance, I mean, yeah, my threat's no good. So you're out threatening me because you're in your DPS shit and you're in defensive stance. So you want to be in Zerker so you're dealing damage and not building as much threat. You generate like